Are you ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? But you tired of slow results, complex systems, and empty promises? Let me introduce you to a game-changing solution trusted by serious online sellers across the globe. Walmart WFS Automation by AMZ Starter. If you've ever dreamed of building a passive income stream with one of the largest retail giants in the world, this is your chance. Walmart SWFS, or Walmart Fulfillment Services, is one of the most powerful platforms for e-commerce sellers right now. With over 120 million monthly visitors, Walmart gives you access to massive traffic and ready-to-buy customers, but only if you know how to tap into it. That's where we come in at AMZ Starter. We don't just offer services, we build fully automated systems. From product research, listing optimization, inventory management, to setting up your entire Walmart seller account and WFS system. Our expert team handles everything for you. From A to Z, we leverage data-driven strategies to ensure your listings not only go live, but dominate. And yes, we even take care of compliance, back-end setup, and all those overwhelming details you don't want to deal with. Our clients are entrepreneurs, investors, and business owners just like you, who wanted real results, not just promises. They trusted us. And today, they're watching their sales grow every single day without lifting a finger. This isn't just automation. This is freedom. If you're serious about growing a real online business and you're looking for a partner to take you there, this is your moment. Don't waste months figuring it all out alone. Let the experts handle it while you enjoy the results. Click the link in the description, talk to our experts, and let's build your Walmart WFS automated store. Together. This isn't for everyone. This is for the doers, the visionaries, the smart sellers who want fast results with minimal stress. We're ready when you are. Let's grow. Let's automate. Let's win with AMZ Starter.